Hey guys, this is Jamie Lola Tallulah Poetspice, and I am here with the Art Deco collab, where we are here to do our projects making, using anything Art Deco. So stamps, papers, dies, and of course, you know I'm partial to dies. So there you go with that. I think I filmed this video before, and somehow I don't know where it is, so I have to redo it, and that means all my supplies have been put away for a while. But I thought I would go ahead and show you. I did use some hunky-dory paper. I did use one of their pads. I used a tonic, I think, die cuts. Yes, tonic die cuts. And I used my ScoreMaster from Crafter's Companion. So I created this box set of cards. I actually made 3 boxes because the first box I made based on the card size without adding extra. Then the other one I made the right size for the card, but I forgot to add room for the envelope, so I had to make another box. So you can see this is some hunky-dory paper right here. This is just plain white cardstock, and I use my ScoreMaster. As I said, I cut this just to say 3 times and layered it up, and it's got the hunky-dory paper on the top. You can see the Art Deco piece from some of the hunky-dory deco paper pad. Look at those cute things. And then this was a scrap I had left over from doing the cards. So when you open the box, now, I do have a tutorial on how to make boxes using the ScoreMaster. So if I remember, I'll try to link that around here somewhere or in the description box. So I made 4 cards, and then I used the envelopes. Now, which base? I'm trying to think of which base I used. They just might have been plain bases. And I have the envelopes in there. And then, of course, you know, I did not do matchy. So here's the first one. And you can see they're just out there playing their little croquet. They're croquet. They're croquet. There's that paper from the cover. This is another one of those topper pads, the Whopper topper pads that they have. This is a Tonic Studios die that says Best Friends, and I just cut it twice to give it some dimension. And then on the inside, I used, this is actually the reverse side of this, and that's that paper from that hunky-dory garden, secret garden paper, I think is what it's called. Okay, so then here's another one. It says, enjoy today. And they are enjoying their day sitting on the grass, drinking their drinks and eating their drinks, or eating their food and stuff. Little waterways, look at that, so cute. And then this is just, you know, I like to do the reverse. So this is the reverse of the inside. I need to stamp them all. I've been making cards and not putting my little stamp on it. All right, then I made some that were landscape. Again, just to say. And I like that hunky-dory paper because it's thicker, so you get dimension faster. And on the inside, same watercolor flower paper, and then I used this paper. Got a little piece of glue right there. And then use this hunky-dory paper in the back. And then here's this one with the Best Friends again. And same inside, just flipped around. So those are this week's makes. I will try to remember to link the tutorial on how to make the box. And then I did get a request from someone. They were like how do you figure out the dimensions? That they weren't sure how to do the dimensions again. So if there's more interest, I'll go ahead and do another video about just how to figure out what size paper to cut in order to do your box. Okay, so check out the other ladies who are in this collab, and definitely do a VR if you would like. And then let me know some other collabs you would be interested in. I'm thinking of doing like a 3x3x3 in which you have 3 stamps, 3 dies, and 3 embossing folders, and a paper pad, and you need to do some stuff with that. Also maybe a flower collab where the whole focus is flowers. I did that once before. I don't know. So if you have any suggestions or things that you would like to see, you can let me know in the comments below. All right, thanks for watching. Go check out the other ladies, and definitely come back for our last week, which is next week. And make sure you've subscribed and commented on all the videos. All right, bye.